Hey folks, welcome to Sawney Mountain Motors Online. Super nice 22 Jeep Wrangler Sport. It's an Altitude edition and only got 41,000 miles on it. It's got some aftermarket wheels on it, some nice rock slider steps on the side. It's been fancied up with a little bit of different colors here and there. Let me walk around and let you take a look at it. It's got some teal fender vents. If you don't like those, for whatever reason, I will be happy to change the color back to black, which I would normally do, but I like the look of it for our female customers. So I'm going to leave it for a couple weeks. If no one comes to buy it, then I'll probably go ahead and change those out. So they may or may not be there when you see the video. This Jeep has certainly never been in any dirt. It is exceptionally nice inside and out. It is a Sport Unlimited Altitude edition. Has the Sunrider top, which is kind of cool. I just learned something about these tops by watching a YouTube video, so I am now a YouTube certified top guy. So you have two clicks right there, and then that top folds back, so you actually do not have to remove it from the vehicle to be able to drive around. But this thing is crisp and clean. If you take a look at it, doesn't appear that it's ever been dirty. Four-wheel drive, of course, power windows, leather wrap wheel, backup camera, both remotes, both keys. Been through the shop, fully serviced. No issues at all. 41,251 miles. You can see the air vents. If you don't like those, we will also change those to silver or black or red or green or purple, whatever color you really like. It's already got the WeatherTech mats in it. Door panels are nice. You see the rock slider steps. Take a close look at the wheels and tires. Tires are in nice condition. Not too often I get one of these Jeeps with big wheels and tires that I don't need to put tires on it, but this one is good. Sound bar. It's got the tinted glass on the side. The side windows have been tinted, keep you a little bit cooler in the summertime. It's got the matching spare, which everyone doesn't always do. Wheel and tire. Guys, we go through our cars with a fine-tooth comb. We do all the services, all the fluids, the filters, bring all the services completely up to date. We drive the cars extensively, make sure there's no funny noises, squeaks, rattles, bangs, shakes, vibrations, no funny smells inside. Basically, we try and make these cars where there are no issues whatsoever. This one only has 41,000 miles on it. Nice quiet motor, drives smooth as silk. Fully serviced, needs nothing. You will find out when you get here, we sell extended warranties at our cost. We don't mark them up for a profit because we think everyone should have one. You can reach me on my cell phone anytime, Mike Stout, 404-867-5028. I appreciate you guys shopping and have a great day. Thanks so much. Oh, by the way, my salesman Jim Wills, he said if you come in the next 48 hours, he will throw in one duck. Have a great day.